Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's do this. You know what? Maybe we need to tighten up. Yes, indeed. Just like that. So, today, I'm going to show you how to make coconut chocolate date nut bars. These coconut chocolate date nut bars are just packed with yummy, delicious sweet treats, chocolate, coconut, medjool dates, and they are nutritious. Just the perfect bite-sized sweet treat. Comes to us from Gene at lemonsandanchovies.com. Gene says they are delightfully chewy and packed with wholesome add-ins. These date nut bars are the perfect bite-sized sweet treat. I think I already said that. So, are you ready? Let's dive in and let's get started. That's going to have to do. In a large bowl, add all of the ingredients except for the eggs and powdered sugar. 80 grams of all-purpose flour, that's 2/3 of a cup. 130 grams or 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar. 3 grams or 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. 215 grams of pitted medjool dates, chopped into small pieces. 105 grams or 1 cup of walnuts, chopped small. 25 grams or a half cup of unsweetened coconut. 75 grams or a half cup of chocolate chips. The chopped dates will be stuck together and will be in large chunks, so I like to toss them in the dry ingredients with my hands, separating as much of the date chunks as possible as they are coated in the dry ingredients. Next, we're going to add lightly beaten eggs to the dry mixture and mix just until no dry spots remain in the mix. Press the mixture into the pan and bake for 30 minutes or until the top is nicely golden. And there we have it. Now into the oven she goes. Are you ready to see what the results look like? I think this is going to be wonderful. Oh my goodness. Nice and brown on top. Look at this beauty. We let it cool for about 15 or 20 minutes and then we can cut it into little bite-sized chunks. I hope you try this at home. And if you do, please come back and leave a comment in the comment section below this video. Okay, here we go. Upside down on the cooling rack. And there we have it. So pretty. Let's just make some little bites. Are we ready to try it? It's time for the bite shot. Chocolatey, coconut, walnuts. It's gooey and sweet with just a little bit of a crunch to it. This one is a winner. I encourage you to try this at home for yourself. And get back to me in the comment section below this video. This is one of the simplest things I've ever made. I do hope you'll do me a favor and click that thumbs up like button. Please subscribe to my channel as it helps us to make more yummy videos for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay.